Hello guys, I will make one video. Is what I think about the crimped valves. Also the crimped and threaded valves, I think the same. When they use the machine to crimp the valve, they make this side that the O-ring of the valve sit here, they make it some point of millimeter bigger. When they crimp it, they make it this side more weak. And if I measure it, this one, also because splitted, it's, you can see little bigger also for that. But when you crimp it here, you make the this side to open like a tulip, like a flower, little, but you don't need too much. If I measure it now, this side, okay, and if I try to put my caliper here in other side, almost don't go inside. This is, I believe, when you crimp it, you make weak this place here where the O-ring is. This, I think.